Hey guys, how you doing? Today we're making these homemade hash browns. And you know, you buy these in stores and they're always so bland, but these are so flavorful you can add your own spices. So let me walk you through this and let's get started. So the first thing we're going to do is grab up our potatoes and peel them. You can use any type of potato you want. This is just kind of a white potato, but you can use, you know, Yukons, whatever. After that, grab up our box grater and grate them up. And when you get down near the end, you got to be careful because you're going to nick yourself. And I don't know how many times I've done this in a box grater. Slip our potato into a bowl of cold water just to get rid of that starch. And I should mention I'm using 2 potatoes here. And just kind of mix them up again to get that starch out. And look at it come out. Next, we're going to place our potatoes into a bowl lined with a towel to dry it off. Now you can use a cheesecloth, but I don't have one, so I'm going to use this. Just to let it dry completely. Next, we're going to pick it up and give it a good squeeze just to get all that excess water out. You want this nice and dry. Now I'm going to add some oil to a pan over medium-high heat. Put the potatoes in, and I'm going to fry these for about 4 or 5 minutes. By the way, what do they call the potato at the Halloween party? Monster Mash. After about 4 minutes, I'm going to kill the heat and let it cool a little bit. Once the potatoes have cooled a little bit, I'm going to season them up with half a teaspoon of onion powder, some salt and pepper, and half a teaspoon of garlic powder. Of course, you can use the spices of your choice. I'm going to add in 2 tablespoons of all-purpose flour and about 1/4 cup of cheddar cheese. Now, you can use the cheese of your choice. Of course, I'm going to mix this all up until it's well combined. At this point in time, I'm going to preheat some oil, and this is about 1 inch or 2, to about 350 degrees Fahrenheit, 177 Celsius, over medium-high heat. Alright, now the fun part. We're going to grab up, I'd say a golf ball size of the mixture and form it into a hash brown. This is going to be so delicious. I should also mention you can also freeze these, put them in the freezer, and use them whenever you like. Alright, now we're going to slip these into the pan and fry them up until they're golden brown. After a couple of minutes, I'm just going to give this a flip over. Look at that beautiful golden brown. After the hash brown is done, I'm just going to take them out of the pan and set them aside on a plate lined with a paper towel just to absorb that grease. And there you have it, guys, our homemade hash browns, beautifully golden brown, easy to make, and incredibly delicious. Okay, let's give these a taste test. So good. Nothing like you would buy in stores. Crispy on the outside, tender on the inside. The spices are excellent. You're going to love these. You can always find the recipe at cookandshare.com. All kinds of great stuff over there. Thanks for subscribing, and see you next time.